So the other day, I was looking at launching a new collection for my store, and I was staring at about 50 raw product photos. You know the feeling. The lighting is slightly off, the backgrounds are messy, and I knew I had at least 3 days of Photoshop and copywriting ahead of me. I actually looked into hiring a professional photographer, but the quote I got back was, let's just say it made my eyes water. So I did what I always do. I went looking for a shortcut. And that's when I found Merchant Floor. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was skeptical. Another all-in-one AI tool? We've all heard that before. But the site promised I could launch 10 times faster, so I decided to give it 30 minutes just to see. And honestly, it's been a minute since a tool actually made me feel this lazy, in a good way. If you've ever spent 5 hours trying to remove a background, drop a me in the comments. I know I'm not the only one. Let me break down how this works, because it's kind of ridiculous. When you first log in, you see all these options: background removers, image resizers, and description writers. But I went straight to the lifestyle photo generator. This is the feature that got me hooked. Usually, if you want a lifestyle shot, you have two options. You either build a physical set in your house, or you have to be a Photoshop wizard. Neither of those is fast. I started with a photo of a simple wooden chair, just a plain photo on a white background. I selected Show Product in a Natural Setting. Then I typed a custom prompt, Show Chair in a Senior Home. I hit Generate and waited a few seconds. When I opened the gallery, I couldn't believe it. The AI didn't just put the chair in a room, it placed it in a cozy living room with people in the background. It looked like a real scene from a professional catalog. The lighting on the wood matched the room perfectly. It even added realistic shadows on the floor. It's basically a $1,000 photo shoot for the price of a coffee. Then I tried something even more difficult. I had a bunch of dresses that needed models. Hiring models is expensive and takes weeks of planning. Inside Merchant Floor, you can actually customize your model. I chose the gender, the age range, and even the ethnicity. I picked young adult and mixed ethnicity. Then I set the body type to average and the expression to smiling. For the scene, I chose urban street. I uploaded the dress photos and hit generate. The AI literally wore the dress for me. The fabric draped naturally over the AI model's shoulders. The wrinkles in the skirt moved exactly like real clothing would. I generated 4 different products with 3 images each in seconds. The quality was high enough for Amazon, Shopify, or even a high-end lookbook. And you aren't just doing this for one photo at a time. Think about the scale here. If you have a catalog of 50 items, you are saving weeks of work. I went into the bulk jobs section to see how it handles a heavy load. I had hundreds of credits ready to go. I could retouch, resize, and generate scenes for my entire store at once. But it doesn't stop at just looking pretty. Let's talk about the part we all hate, the copywriting. You know that product description box on Shopify, the one you always stare at and never know what to put in. Merchant Floor has a built-in content tool for that. It handles the SEO for you. It handles the tone. It even highlights the features you might have missed. And it supports 13 different languages. So if you are scaling internationally, you don't even need a translator. It's like having a marketing team living inside your browser. Most people think they can just use ChatGPT for this, but this tool is different because it's built specifically for e-commerce. It knows what converts. It knows where to put the keywords. It knows how to make people click Add to Cart. It even generates your Facebook and Google ads. You're literally going from a raw photo to a full marketing campaign, and you can do it all before your coffee even gets cold. Now, I want to be 100% honest with you. Is this tool perfect? No. If you're building a multi-million-dollar luxury brand, you might still want a human designer. Sometimes the AI needs a little tweak. Maybe a shadow needs a slight adjustment in the editor. Maybe a word in the description needs a quick change. But if you're a dropshipper, or an Etsy seller, or if you're just trying to scale fast without burning out, this is a game changer. Let's do the actual math here. What does a photographer cost? At least $500 for a small set. What does a copywriter cost? Maybe $50 per description. What does an ads manager cost? Thousands. With Merchant Floor, you are saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month. And more importantly, you are saving your time. Time is the only thing we can't buy more of. Why spend your weekend removing backgrounds? Why spend your nights staring at a blank screen? I've used a lot of AI tools this year. Most of them are just hype. But this one feels like it was built by people who actually run stores. They understand the friction. They understand the repetitive tasks that kill your creativity. Look, I'm not saying this tool will do all the work for you. You still have to pick the best products. You still have to know your customers. But it's going to change the way you manage your shop. Your schedule is going to thank you. And your wallet is definitely going to thank you. If you want to try it out, I've put the link to Merchant Floor at the top of the description. They usually give you some free credits to start. So go grab it. Try it on just one product today. Upload a photo of a toy or a bottle or a piece of clothing and just watch what the AI does with the natural setting mode. I promise you'll be surprised at how legit it looks. And hey, if this video saved you even 1 hour of work today, hit that subscribe button. CoreSite Labs is all about finding shortcuts like this. I want to make running a business actually fun again. I'm always hunting for the next big tool, so turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I have a feeling 2025 is going to be the year of the one-person agency, and tools like this are the reason why. Grab the tool and start scaling. I'll see you in the next video.